to my channel. Today we have a little fun video. So I kind of made it like a ritual for me last year to make a birthday dress for myself each year, kind of like a gift for me from me. This was the dress that I made for myself on my 19th birthday, and this is the sketch of the dress that we will be making this year on my 20th birthday. What I had in my mind was pink, sparkly, and just all glam, sequins and sequins. When I tell you, I literally found the most perfect fabric for this. It has a black velvet base and it's just covered with pink sequins all over. I know it's gonna be super hard for me to work with it and obviously super messy, but it's beautiful. And I found even more beautiful black lace to use. I'm so excited. Now guys, today is 16th December and my birthday is on 18th December. But I need the dress to be ready by 20th December because that's the day I will be celebrating. Tomorrow, 17th December and 18th December will be super busy for me. I won't be able to work at all. So I basically have just the rest of the day and the full 19th December to make this dress, which is gonna be a time crunch because this is my first time working with sequins. I'm not gonna say the dress is too complicated or anything, but still there are a few things that are new to me. I'm praying for the best, so without wasting time, let's get started, okay? It's 17th December. I just got ready. It's like 11:30 a.m. right now. I'm gonna leave and I won't be back till midnight. I will be spending my entire day outside. That's why I woke up early and just got a little bit of work done. This is my like pre-birthday outfit. Here's the fit check. I really like my fit. This is the shrug that I made, by the way. It's very cute. My shoot got a little bit around the day today. If I'm able to film. So see you. Bye for now. Guys, I just came back home. It's around 10:30 p.m. right now. I came back earlier than I thought I could. By the way, we had like a wedding invitation, so I'm in a lehenga. This is so beautiful. Can you imagine? I turned 20 in literally 1.5 hours. Like, hello? These are my bangles. My earring, chunka, whatever. And the lehenga, can you guys see? I love the blouse, by the way. I'm gonna go change because I'm tired and then I'll meet you guys again, okay? Guys, I was just journaling and look, less than 2 minutes We turned 20 in less than 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we are 20. Guys, I just celebrated with my parents a little bit and they just gave me the most gorgeous gift ever. I'm just so happy. And my friends wish me, which I'm so grateful for always. I'm gonna be in the moment for a bit and then I'm gonna go ahead and sleep because obviously I wanna wake up early on my birthday. It feels so good to be 20. Oh my god. I was like nervous, but I feel so good right now. I look a little rough, so just ignore it, maybe. But yeah, I'll update you guys what happens tomorrow. I mean, today basically, but I don't really have much planned out. I don't know, I'm gonna probably celebrate with my parents a little bit. My grandma is going to come, and then I might go out, maybe do some shopping or get some matcha or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Hey guys, good afternoon. I just got ready, did my makeup, and did little bit of like a photo shoot, like a birthday shoot. And it was so pretty. I just had this little bento cake, which is so cute. I bought it a few days ago. I just put on these type of like random stickers that I had and just did like a little bit shiny makeup. And then I have this new top that I bought with like this white long skirt and then like pearls. These are necklaces. I just wrapped it around, looks like a bracelet. And then this pearl and then this one. Okay, that's my look for now. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now, right? Guys, I just got ready to go out, but now I don't want to go out. I have this like huge anxiety wave, which happens every time I have to go out. But like, since I got ready, I have to go out. I put on this outfit, and it's like a blue sweater, cardigan, shug, something like that. And then I have all these gold and blue accessories, so beautiful. And the sun is also very beautiful. It's like 3:30-ish, 40-ish, I guess. Let's go somewhere. Guys, I just came back home and it was such a lovely day. I'm so glad I went out because it was so nice. So first of all, I went to a cafe because I really needed caffeine. It gave me energy to shop. I bought a few jewelry, so let me show you what I bought. I bought this ring. It's a silver beautiful silver ring. Next is the stone silver turquoise ring. Next I bought this gold ring. It's so pretty. I like the shape of it. And lastly, this mixed metal ring. It has a little bit of gold and then a little bit of silver. Mostly silver, but then a little bit of gold. One of my favorite purchase of today. Beautiful. It's a studded bangle. I really like these type of bangles and I cannot wait to stack it with other bangles that I have. Lastly, I bought this little earring and necklace set. It has this black stone and a silver. It's very staple. I bought the black one so I can wear it with literally everything. And that's it. That's all I bought. So yeah, it was such a good day and I'm just so grateful. I will go ahead, edit all my pictures now and post them and put like a birthday down. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna have to finish the dress by tomorrow, so lots of work to do. Okay, bye. Guys, I just finished making the base. It's looking pretty. It's 10:20 p.m. What was I doing all this time? I opened the dress and redid it so many times I couldn't even film it. It was such a mess. I hated it because the lining, ouch, the lining was not stretchy. So I added the lining first and then sewed the entire dress. Then I couldn't try it on because it was so hard to sew the zipper on this type of fabric. I did sew the zipper, but I hated it. So I decided I'll just take off the zipper and the lining. So the velvet fabric on its own, it's stretchy, so I can wear it just on its own. So I redid everything and then now I just came with the base that I am satisfied with. I want to see what condition my room is in. Any of you are planning to work with sequin fabric or ever in future work with it? This is the condition of my entire room. My entire goddamn room, y'all. I'm now going to work on the sleeves. I'm gonna hem the bottom and then work on the sleeves. I decided to make like open sleeves. I was planning to make puff sleeves, but I ditched the plan. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I wasn't able to finish the dress yesterday, but I am done with the sleeves. All I need to do is attach it to the dress and then just add the laces and we should be done.
I think I need a break. Don't care how long it takes. You know I hate the way you make me feel so dark. You really broke my heart. You opened up my scar.
Alright loves, that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed a lot, and let me know your thoughts on the dress and the video. Comment down your favorite emoji and confuse the ones who did not see till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, love you guys so much as always. Thank you for supporting. Okay, bye.